How to log into American Express credit card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in American Express credit card and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Credit cards, compare and apply online, americanexpress.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of login. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. So go ahead and type in your user ID, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way, you can easily log into American Express credit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.